you doing? Can you tell Mommy how many times you've fallen off the bed? He's like, me? I don't fall. Can you say 2?
2.
Can you say 3?
3.
Can you say 5? 5.
Yeah.
Say 5. He likes to say 2. Put those dirty feet all over Daddy's pillow. Where's Daddy?
Yellow.
Yellow. Are Mommy's walls yellow? Look. Caleb, over here. Is the wall yellow?
Yellow.
It is. It's yellow.
Yellow.
Can you say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
Say bye-bye to the camera. Bye-bye.